Hello everyone. Welcome to episode.
Hello.
I'm not done with the intro.
No.
Your intro has been sabotaged by Pecan.
We're playing.
Shit, here we go again.
We're playing Maid Madness again. This is the talk through episode 2. This time we have Tech, Tim, Pecan, Owo, Catter, and myself, Com.
Character is the pedophile.
What?
The pedophile is my favorite character.
What, the teacher?
Okay. Anyway,
Why
let's
is
get
here?
right
He's
back
the
into
only
it.
character with any development.
Let's
Really
get
happens to be
right.
Yeah, but he's basically pawns.
Yeah, I know, it's weird. No, I think I like the teacher more than Pons. I'm kidding, Pons, you're right.
Okay.
You're I'm sorry.
Okay.
So, like, what do we have to do now? You clean the
I
freaking
think we
dishes,
just-
right?
Together.
We,
I guess just talk to the guy and see what we gotta
Oh
do.
yeah. Did he give you money?
Hey, goth puppy.
What the fuck was
Run away from
do you
me.
have what I need yet? Wait.
Oh, okay.
What was it that I needed?
Well, I think I remember this. You have to go talk to somebody in some house and you get something. I think.
Yeah,
That's
usually how
not
it is,
vague
but
at
there's-
all.
This needs a quest system.
Why are we going back to town?
Yeah, I think. Okay, maybe if I remember, you have
Wasn't
to
it
go to the
like
bar and get
the
something?
bar? Yeah.
Oh, the bar.
I think it's the bar.
It was the
Oh,
bar.
hell yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
it
get
sounds familiar.
Rachel, need any
Someone
help?
who's really-
Abso-fucking-lutely, Angel Tits. Summon Yuki-chan. I wish I had a summon waifu
It takes a
skill.
lot of magic for me to teleport to battle, so even if you did really need me, I can't aid you the entire time. Why is the back of my hair red, but not the hair normal?
I wish I had your daub, Ray-chan, but my boobs couldn't fit into your outfit. Wow. Wow.
Wait, is this the
Wow.
random Japanese
Weird
friend that
flex,
got
but
your
okay.
chick?
Weird flex, but okay. Yeah.
Good flex.
Who's this delinquent?
You're jobless.
Hey, are you Niles?
No, that's
Miles
the dude from My Hero
per hour?
Academia. Never
Who
mind.
the fuck is
Look at
this?
this
Baby, you fucking insane! Be at least a little quiet around here when saying my name, or at least mumble it so much that it's unrecognizable.
The
Fuck,
fuck are
look
you?
at me. I'm here.
Sorry, Nears.
Nigga.
No. No.
No.
This is a
Oh,
recording. I will smack you on the head.
Nigga.
Oh, he's alright.
Tech.
It's okay.
Excellent.
Jack is
Sit.
black.
Please no.
So what you itching for?
Cocaine.
Some crystals.
Can't we all?
What are those?
What are those?
Oh, so Arden sent you here. I should have known by the two melons busting out of their leather casings, glued to your chest. Do you get it? I'm referencing your boobs.
Ha, big tits, funny joke.
Remember being subtle? He's kind of a nut. Get it? Nut,
Ah.
you know? Nonetheless.
The
I
nut
use
is
my
falling out like a
favorite
waterfall.
The nut came down like a waterfall. What he's ordering isn't really much of your business, especially if you obey the law. You know, law.
Haha, it's illegal drugs. Get it, kid?
Get it? Drugs. I am illegal.
When I said cocaine, I was joking.
So, can I have them?
Babe, this is how it works. You do something for me, and I am provide you fix. Yeah?
I love s-
Get on your knees.
Okay.
Here we
You gotta
go.
give me the sock.
Ah, shit, here we go again.
Exactly. I need you to run
I
a
might
few
even
errands for me.
Tip.
I might even tip you if you feel like it. Get it?
Just the tip.
I need my penis.
God damn it.
Giving you back pass that shit to the church that
The
likes me.
what?
They like to me, so just concur. My sister requested I do some, but I hate going there, and I smell a pook, which
They
they
frown upon.
frown upon.
Oh,
Get it? They're disappointed. I smell like pook. Next, I'm gonna need you to go get something from Arden. That bastard still owes me my has my
Virginity.
my dick. I need you. My bloody ears. Yes, my
He's
bloody
a
ears.
furry!
Oh my!
Don't tell anyone about this. Don't tell anyone about this or I'll fucking kill you. If I was still in this room, it'd be.
Oh no!
Furry fuck. A furry. You have to fight his key, or maybe just ask for it.
Break
I don't
into his
know.
house.
Finally, go pick apples for my grandma.
We have to like fucking do all this stuff.
I'm always busy. It's just too retarded to do anything.
This game.
Later on, I'm
Look
excited.
at him, so happy.
I love pie. I mean, I don't really feel either way towards it.
If you
I get it. I'm insecure.
I want to stick my dick in pie.
So do you have all of that? All 50 things I told you to? Donation bunny ears and apples. Alright, on your way.
Alright, so
Do we
church
have,
is
like,
like
a
below
list?
this.
Okay. Bye, Niall.
Yes.
I mean,
I need a drink.
Nyales.
Niales!
Bye.
Alright,
My name is Inigo
Church is, like,
Niales.
right below this.
let's
Yep,
go.
that's the church
Yeah,
one
let's go
now.
to the church.
Yeah, hopefully you don't get your ass fucking caved in the forest.
Let's put this donation down here. Give it to this dude.
Hey, baby, set my V-Bucks.
Can you imagine going into church and be like, Konnichiwa, sister? I have something for you.
Oh god, not. I am intrigued.
I am intrigued. She is intrigued.
I like a monobrow.
Wonderful. May the Kamimichi be with you.
What the fuck is that?
It's the weeb force. What do you mean? Have
Why
a
are the
good
seats
day.
on the
yeah.
carpet?
Alright, so that's one thing done. Where are the apples?
Now we need
In
the
the
apples
forest.
from the forest.
We need the buddy
Oh,
ears.
That's not
Oh,
gonna
you're
go
wanna
poorly.
save before you go into the forest. The forest is brutal.
Okay. Where do I
Let's
fucking
get the
save?
buddy.
You gotta talk to the angel chick.
You
wherever
can
she
call her
is.
on the
Oh,
phone though. You
no,
can
there
call
she
her
is.
on the phone.
Oh, she's right there. Right in the entrance of the forest. How
What's
nice.
up, Rich? I need any help? Oh, you just can't ignore me like that.
Hey, look, that's what I call good game design. At
Good
least.
luck, Rich.
Barely.
Alright, let's go get some apples.
Good game design.
Apple.
Oh fuck! That's a wolf! It's a fucking wolf! There's a fucking no!
Crap.
Stop! Don't touch me, Yuki! She's touching me with a
She
wolf!
fucking killed us.
No, don't touch me there. That's my
I like how
noodle.
the wolves are running around waiting
You've
for
learned
us
a
to
new
be
skill.
on the
Yuki's
floor.
touch. Hold on, Wolf, I'm on the phone. 5 more seconds. It's an online game, Mom. I can't pause. Later.
I'm playing.
No, don't hang up. No, this is my excuse. He's gonna rate me if I hang up the phone. Alright, fight me, bitch. What the fuck is this? It's got 3 legs and one of them's massive. Oh shit, I'm low on health.
Be careful.
Escape. See if you can escape. Can you escape?
You can't.
No.
That's another thing why this game is so unfair.
No items. Fuck.
I hate. Oh, they don't have you escape in an RPG Maker game. That's just lazy.
Just attack the wolf. 20 damage.
You're
I took
fucking
73 damage.
dead. Oh, my Momo dead.
Yep.
Can I give him the suck yet? Nope. No, I can. Why can't I suck? Oh, it's TP. Okay.
Claw that motherfucker.
Yay.
I clawed the motherfucker. Oh shit, we can take like
69
Yes.
Yes.
call you can your
He's touched.
heal yourself, add temperature. Okay, perfect.
Hey.
Wow.
That didn't really help, but I'll take it.
Thanks, Yuki.
She touched me in weird places, and now I'm just gonna smack him with my titties. That did less damage! Ah!
That's a lot of damage.
This game fucking sucks. We get a panty shot in the game over scene even. What the fuck is this game?
I just gotta jack off to that game over screen. And
No.
probably
Why
dead.
did you have 6 fingers
Is
on
there
a hand?
anywhere we can get like free health?
There's no free health? Oh fuck, dude.
This is not
We need more
America.
wine.
Where
This
do
is
we-
America.
Where do we break into that dude's house?
There's no free health.
I'm not even sure which dude's house they're referring to. Oh, that face was horrifying.
And we can't like outrun the wolves.
No.
Actually, I think that's how I was able to get through that part. I had to outrun the wolves. It took some big brain moves, but I barely did.
Do we have enough money for
Give me the
fried
fish.
rice?
We can buy fried rice.
Yay!
Let's buy some fried rice.
Yay!
We should-
Minimum
One
wage.
fried rice ticket. I'm done. Let's go pick up our fried rice. Fresh fruit slices. Ooh.
We can no. You can get the spaghetti side.
Spaghetti. Oh,
No, you can't get
not
it
anymore.
'cause you're
I can
not
buy
on
crunchy
money.
crab cakes.
You can get the crunchy crab cakes.
Yes.
And now we're out of money.
What my ex
Where
calls
can we
her
get the
vagina.
Or maybe you already get it.
I got fried rice.
No one
Oh,
picked
okay.
up on my joke. I'm disappointed.
I heard your joke. Wait,
It was just shit.
you full heal when you die?
I actually don't remember that. I thought you didn't. And...
Oh,
That's
maybe
good.
it's when I bought this food, it heals you up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it did. Okay. So that might have
we go.
been a waste of money.
That's okay.
It's okay, you'll just die anyways and come
We're-
back.
Save.
Yep. Save
I'm gonna
and then
save it in
try
a different
again.
file though, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Take advantage of the different files.
Okay, run.
Yeah, just run. I'm pretty sure that's how I got.
Oh fuck, there's like no! Fucking bitch!
Rachel, I was.
Rach, stop touching my pee-pee!
Surprise is you dying.
You've just been
Fucking run! No, we made it!
Get out of there.
Rachel, I have a surprise for
No,
you. It's
fuck!
your immortality.
Ah! The fucking wolf!
Another one.
Oh, my MP is maximized. Smack him with the titty!
How's this?
Only does 36.
Fuck!
Yeah, the titty slap is bad.
Does it do more damage than regular attacks? We did like 38. Claws do 20. Titty is bigger
Oh.
than regular attack. Okay.
Okay.
So, titty smack. It took no damage!
You lied.
Who's with this?
This is a broken fucking game.
Why didn't this game have beta testing?
You
What
can
is
life suck.
test-
You
What
can
is
life suck.
testing?
What is game balance?
What is love?
What you?
Summon
Baby
Yuki-chan!
Life suck.
Yuki, come to my aid! He took. Whoa!
That animation.
There we
Nice!
go.
Yeah.
$3!
You gotta eat that rice.
That's the best
Fuck,
part.
dude.
These enemies are impossible to kill.
Are you
Take
gonna
We
run
found
away
an-
from the other one?
No!
God damn it! This is a gangbang.
Ah!
We're fucked from every angle.
You're
This
getting
game
doubled
design
by
sucks
wolves.
ass.
Demon Wolf Pack gangbanged by Red
Meat
Rocket.
thing.
Tech, you're the one who works with
Put
RPG
some
Maker.
soy
Are there any,
sauce
like,
on this
glitches
shit
we
and
can
we all
exploit?
good.
I think this game is just one big
That's
glitch.
only
really
100
additionally.
Can you make a version where there are like no wolves?
I mean, if I had like the original fucking code, then yeah.
Check if there
Yeah,
is.
just fix the game. Just take the game and fix it and actually make it good.
Shit's looking bad, fam. I agree.
Yes.
I cry every time.
Onion.
Get out of here. I'm gonna eat it though. 30 HP!
We all cried too because that did nothing.
Wait, no.
You can
Special.
use, yeah.
Summon Yuki-chan.
Summon Yuki. Do it.
I died!
That wasn't
Fuck, it didn't work!
It has over 100 HP.
What is this enemy?
No.
This
Yuki.
game sucks.
This game sucks
Where do we
ass.
get apples?
Like, it mega sucks.
The forest.
Where do we get the freaking apples?
You get them in the forest, and the best part is this forest. It's a maze, so there's dead ends even.
Oh, fuck. Okay, let's
Yeah,
go
you
right,
gotta
let's
go
go
right.
right.
Walk through.
Wait, no,
I
you.
legitimately don't know the right way.
Hold on, I have an idea, I have an
This
idea.
goddamn-
Yuki-chan, give me the touch. Okay, we got the touch.
Oh,
Yes.
smart.
Now let's
Run
escape
back.
and save.
Oh,
We're
go
gonna beat
back,
this game
save.
eventually.
Yes.
Big brain move.
Yes.
Outstanding move.
I am a pro gamer.
Yeah.
Can
I'm
we
an
look
adult
up, like,
virgin.
where the apples are?
Okay.
Ah! Ah!
I'm sorry, the water hurts you?
It's poison, obviously.
What?
It's poisonous water. That's how it goes in swamps.
This game sucks ass.
This game sucks so much fat ass.
Yours, apparently.
Oh.
Yikes.
Yuki
Oh,
touch.
nice. There's a strategy guide. Hell
What?
yeah. Ooh.
You say you guide
Strategy
him.
guide.
Okay. So basically,
We
the
can't lose
strategy
too much health.
the strategy is stay alive long enough to summon Yuki-chan to come beat their ass for you, and hope it doesn't fucking miss.
That's because I'm the best.
It's just a fucking.
They're apples.
There we go.
They're apples.
We got the apples.
I told you 4 apples.
You need a best. Fuck off.
What the hell were you supposed to get a basket?
Okay, calm. I think I have an idea.
Oh, good thing
What?
that wolf was retarded.
I think that the wolves only attack you, if I remember correctly, they only attack you if you look directly in front of them.
Well, where
If
the
they get
fuck are
if,
they?
if they get
Where's the
directly in front of
basket?
you.
Cat, find the basket.
I have $3
You get it
reduce.
from your
260
living room.
What?
You're back home.
I have to go.
Go
Okay,
home.
I'm gonna see how much this heals first. I'm gonna see how much this heals.
Okay.
So 216 MP5. I'm gonna get fresh fruit slices. 330. That's not bad. I have $1 though.
Except to kill an enemy, that gives you $3. It takes all your health.
Yeah. It's just
Gotta
game.
go home and
shitty
grab
design.
the fucking basket.
Shit. The maze better not change. Oh, you gotta check
It
on. Hey,
doesn't.
say hi to me.
You think
Oh.
they're that smart?
Yeah, fuck off, Yuki. You killed
No
us
one
like
wants
this.
to
Say hi to me!
an RPG
Not
maker.
for long,
Oh.
sweetie.
Sorry, sweetie, I have to go back home.
Why you
I'm gonna go
leave?
outside and get fucked.
Because I hate you.
Because we can live here, and so you can have Mr. Rumples and have breakfast. No other meals.
She hasn't had her
Breakfast.
breakfast yet.
I don't like to leave you, honey, but it's only for a little while. Maybe I'll bring you back something.
Some
I don't
apples.
need anything but mama.
Aww.
I'm sorry, but I can't give you parental love.
What a spoiled brat.
And mama.
Wait, I can give her my take. No! No!
Yum.
Fuck! Shit! Damn it! Son of a bitch! Fuck!
Oh, whoa, you took the.
I feel regen. Oh, does it heal me? It heals me!
If you
I-
give her food,
If
it
you
heals
give her
you.
takeout, it
We
heals
just found
you.
the way to win the game.
Meta as fuck,
I
boys.
give you stuff. And
Okay.
live your life.
Just
Kitty
like get
sucks so
takeout.
wise.
All you gotta do is get takeout.
Okay, so that might be the most efficient way of regenerating health. Let's go ahead and save.
What's up,
Yeah,
Rachel?
letting me suck it.
She
Good
sucks
luck,
on my
Rachel.
titties and regenerates my health. Fucking hell.
Okay, so
Okay.
we know the way to the apple tree if it doesn't
Yeah.
frickin' change.
So,
I don't think it does. So just all you gotta do is
Get another
go
saving.
right.
They
Oh,
wouldn't
yeah.
change it. That takes
Yeah.
too much effort in RPG Maker. You need like 30 plugins. It's not worth it.
For what?
For it to like change.
For it to
would
be a
take
mystery
Too
dungeon,
much
basically.
effort. It would take like.
Like I said,
30
try not to
plugins.
look at the wolf directly in the face. They'll come at
There
you.
you
oh
go.
yeah,
If you
okay,
don't
we're good.
look
Oh fuck!
Swift moves. Stop going into the goddamn water.
I mean,
Yeah.
water kills me too.
Okay, do we
How
need
many
more than
apples
two
do you need?
apples?
What?
How many
Like
apples
What?
do we
Wind.
need?
I did.
And there's
There was
still
no
random
wolf!
encounters.
Fucking
Nope, random
shit!
encounters.
You can
Damn it!
escape.
Fuck
Great.
shit!
but
Oh, I
you
can escape. Oh, thank God.
Yes.
Fucking shit, I'm out.
Go. Try going up.
You
Like,
need to collect
I know,
4
that's like-
apples.
No, I want to save. You have to find
Save.
4 apples.
Oh,
Gotta
It's
get
another
find a way
apple
around
tree
him. There
somewhere.
you go.
okay. Okay, that's fine. We can save. We can
We'll save, we'll save.
Make 100.
Yeah, save data. Save file 2. Okay.
So you gotta go and look for the other apple tree.
That's how this works.
We're good! We made it! Oh fuck!
But you gotta
The-
not let them.
Those
The
dogs
dupe.
are gay.
So dude,
We're here. We're here.
grab the apples. You need
Okay,
one more.
okay. We got this.
No,
we
go
just
I need
gotta
one
get
more? No, I got 2. That's
No, you-
4. 4
yeah,
total.
You got them all.
That's 4
Just
total.
leave.
Man, good thing these wolves are retarded.
back. Oh my god.
Yep.
This is terrifying. This is like some solid snake.
No, fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Leave me alone!
As
Ah!
long as you don't look them directly in the
We
face.
did save. Okay.
No, we
so
did.
now we just
did.
gotta get the ears.
Okay.
That was
Total
intense.
save.
Wait, where? How?
53.
Who? The grandma? Who do we send the grandma to? Who's the grandma?
Probably some house.
What's up?
My name's Al.
Ow,
Ow,
terrible. You
Where
gotta
is
get
the
him from like
grandma?
your master's house, right? Like the frickin' place you work, right?
Local grocery store.
Oh, I thought there was nothing.
I like to buy a little.
There is nothing to buy.
Do we have to go in the guy's house?
This is the Great
No,
Depression.
when
There's
Niall's
nothing to
grandma
buy.
is-
May I see what tea you have?
I wonder what's upstairs.
Go blue. Green tea.
Oh, this is the tea he wants. I didn't even remember.
Oh, you wanted some tea?
That douche. Wow.
He's just a little rope.
He's a real prick.
I hate to let him have any of my lovely tea.
Wait, you gotta go. I like him. We gotta go the path where we have sex
We
stuff.
gotta go to
Wait,
the
what?
I'll probably have you drink most of it in hopes that you'll end up in his bed. How does tea
Clean
get you
out
in
the
bed?
dusts in
It
the
only gets you
attic.
in the harbor.
Alright, Calm, you're gonna need
He's
to
gonna
save and
spike
prepare.
it.
Because this is the point in the game where I was like,
No,
this
say
is
hi to
part
the
I
best
give up.
character. Fuck. Say hi to the pedophile, the best character.
I feel like
please.
we should we should finish the other quest before we venture into the attic.
Yeah.
So, like,
Yeah,
Um,
you're gonna want to
maybe
do that.
should
The attic
So
is
bunny
where-
ears.
The attic is
Get
where
one
I
of those
quit.
apples, you know.
no,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Where's old
Whose
Gran?
house is it in?
The guy doesn't tell
Is
me
it in
else,
old
I don't
Grant's
know.
house? No, it wasn't in old Grant's house.
I'm gonna see
Whose
if I
house
can
is
ask
that?
him.
Go talk
Is she
to
in the pub?
You don't need
Where
to
does your
get
grandma
ready.
live?
We'll come
Oh,
back when
perfect,
you
perfect,
do.
perfect.
Oh,
Residential
sorry,
area
she
west
lives
of this
in
town. Try the
the-
exit near the
west
tier
of
shop.
this
Yeah,
town.
just knock on
Don't
the first one.
interrupt me!
Blue house
Okay,
west of
so
the town.
west.
Okay.
Is this how you treat your voice actors?
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. It is. I'm being.
Who wants to be grandma? Tim.
Ah.
Oh my! What a lovely little girl.
Perfect.
Please get away from me.
You should really set those melons down, though. You're going to hurt your back. Best yet,
Oh no.
give
Don't
it
touch me.
to
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
No, don't touch me there. That's my no-no square.
Oh fucking hell.
He's gonna get molested by.
No, ma'am, it's fine. Really, don't.
No, man.
These are my tits.
Niall
I
sent me
sh-
here
I
to
should
help you
voice
pick
act.
apples.
No, I insist on touching the melon.
Oh, little
No.
Riley, I love him so much. He's such a good boy. No wife, though. I take care of that.
Incest. Sweet home.
Well, come on
Alabama.
inside.
Like Niles did.
Hello,
When can
child.
we
Alright,
go down
Gran.
now?
Need
Oh
about 4.
dear, do you have them apples? I'll need about 4.
How do you like them apples?
How lovely. Me and my grandson are going to turn this into pie, you know?
Grandson, that's not a
Give
boy.
my thanks.
That's not a
Is
boy.
that a...
I
Oh,
think
no,
it's
Niles.
when they
Niles,
say grandson,
yeah.
you dumb.
Oh, okay. I thought there was a trap child. I was scared.
Safe travels. Mind those are melons. They'll bruise easily if you drop
How's
them.
she gonna
That is
drop her titty?
I think she's like she's blind.
Yes, love those,
No, talk to the
love
child.
those bright,
Stand up.
skin-colored watermelons. You know, they're really ripe around this kind of year.
Yum.
Talk to the child.
Oh, there's a book on the left. There's a book on the left.
Straight fucking
See, that
brain
was worth
dead.
it.
Oh boy, lore.
With
Never mind.
Pook.
Alright. So we gotta go
great.
talk to the dude again so we can find out where the cat ears are again.
It's
funny
bunny
ears,
ears,
thank you
excuse
very
you.
Bunny ears.
I'm gonna guess the shop, but yeah.
Wasn't it in someone's attic, like your master's attic or something?
No. No, the attic we just was the old lady lived in.
No, not that attic.
I don't know.
I don't know, go talk to the guy.
Yeah, just talk to the guy.
Yep.
Speak.
Also safe.
Yeah, I must save first.
This is save the game.
Mm-hmm.
Save the game.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Save the game. This game is so terrible. It needs saving.
Mm-hmm.
Have you done anything yet?
Oh,
What now?
We need the bunny ears.
Back when you do.
Just go to
Where
the
are the
shop.
bunny ears?
see if-
Catter, check the.
my guess is just go to the shop, see if they have anything. Say anything.
Okay, where's the strategy guide? You know, the very important strategy
You go
guide.
to Arden's mansion and ask him if you could have a key to his room.
Which place?
You're gonna get
Where are we going?
The mansion. The
The
mansion.
mansion. Okay.
Mansion, and then you ask for a key to his room.
Ah.
When we ask him
Oh, I
to
think I
not molest
remember
us
this.
as we go in.
Is this like actual advice? Or you just like telling us how to die?
And I put like a little walkthrough in the chat.
I think I remember this, yeah.
Excuse me, what the fuck? The only way you will die during this scene is if you interact with him head on and when his back is facing towards you.
But
Huh?
Pickpocketing him.
You're pickpocketing. You're right in front of. Oh. Oh.
Please just turn around.
Oh.
Oh, this. Yeah, you fucking did it on
Ah!
purpose. Yeah.
Then he.
He
Wow.
killed us!
Instantly
You had
dead.
it.
Just
He raped you to death.
straight up killed
Thank God
me.
we
Do we have to
saved.
do it when he's facing away, or?
Yeah.
You have to do it when he's like not looking at you.
You have to do
Jeez.
it from direct. You have to hit it from directly behind.
He moves so fast in that though.
He's Sonic
That's
the
the
Hedgehog.
point.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
He just starts getting faster when you.
Bruh, did you just turn directly around?
Yeah.
Oof. What are the odds?
Grab his knife.
4, 1, 2, 1, 3.
Are there any tips in the strategy guide for this?
No.
It's just fucking bullshit.
Come here, motherfucker, turn around.
Gotta
I
get
need,
good,
like,
Tom,
a-
come on.
Yes, the fuck back here.
Fucking. He turned it. Bitch. Cunt. Got it.
At least he did.
Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
You got it.
I got it.
Oh.
There was a
Okay.
sound
Can you
cue.
go to
I
his
got
side?
it.
Can you go to- Oh,
I'm
yeah,
saving
you
first.
saved.
Fuck you. I'm saving.
Oh.
The first
Okay,
day of
where's
work
the
and you're
attic?
robbing your boss.
Time to go
Nice.
upstairs into his bedroom.
Is the attic this way?
I'm not sure that's the way that he expected you to go into his
I
room,
think
but you
it's
know.
the stairs right there.
Don't you love the
Who doesn't
stairs
have
in
a
the middle of the
Who are
carpet?
you?
Look at this dude.
Oh god!
I was like, the Pringles man.
Look at this dude.
This dude.
Chunky. Call him Chunky. Please, please,
Kinda chunky.
Wake
Princess. That's not even CDI, that's just the Zelda TV show.
How do you get to the attic?
Can we wait?
Chunk.
Oh shit!
No.
Instantly gone.
No, go back. Go back.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
What's the blood?
Nope.
Is this the
No.
blood part of Blood Raining Night?
Nope. Let me out.
Go!
Let me out.
We
No,
need to go.
but you should
We
go
need
in
to go
there
into
and
like the
talk.
first door.
Go
She
into the
gave
girls'
me a
room.
tampon.
Nope, this is it.
I'm
No,
in.
no.
Is that how boys
did-
think
Holy
areas
shit.
work?
He's just a
Take the whip.
BDSM cave.
Wait,
We know
wait,
aren't we
Invade
all,
as many
honestly?
BDSM items as you can.
why is the room full of blood? Can we talk to the child?
Can we go talk to the child after we save?
Yeah, we get this. Save. Talk to the child.
Get the
'cause I'm
bunny
Wait,
is
interested.
wait. I have a question. Does this mean the delinquent dude was doing the funky fresh with our boss
Yes.
as a furry? Interesting.
Yes.
Good.
We need-
Good.
No.
Take some. Take
What
some
is
gold.
it?
Oh.
Gold. There was gold in the
Oh.
box. Nice bunny
Aha.
ears. Okay.
Nice puzzle.
Why didn't you
Yeah.
take the gold?
Actually, something.
Because I don't want to fucking die.
Yeah, I can
Nah,
tell you right now. If you
go
took
into
that,
the
you'd
little
die
girl's-
instantly.
We need
Why
to
didn't you go in
save.
the little girl's room?
Because I don't want to fucking die.
Save,
No
my dude.
chances.
She just might need a tampon, okay?
This is like the
First
witch's
time.
cut, but really
She looks
strange.
like he's like
food.
5.
Yeah.
But
No,
this is the
go-
night we're talking
Go
about.
to
remember.
girls' room.
Let's finish the quest and I'll go
Get
back
to
to
the
the girls' room. I will.
Majority overrules, calm.
I'll go. I'm just gonna take the
This is
payment
the
first.
What do we
Jesse.
do with these?
Crystals and $5. There's
We
the
wear
tip.
them.
Alright. Alright,
I'm gonna take a
alright.
pie with grandma.
While wearing bunny ears?
Absolutely. That's a
I'm gonna
furry
wear
household.
mine.
Hmm.
Then he gets a little too friendly with him, they might change.
Right.
Like I got fun bunny ears and I've been called a furry ever since.
You
Alright,
might end up
so-
with another kid aside
Now
from
we
little
just
Jesus.
have. Let's. We're going to the little girl's room.
Yep.
We're doing it. We're doing
Mhm.
it.
He's gonna cook his
Yes.
favorite pie, a cream pie.
Seriously though, why does this guy have a dead child in his house?
I think that's a
don't
living
think it's
child.
dead yet.
That's a living child.
I think it's a fucking ghost.
I
Alright.
think we should attack it. Hold on. But why is there blood in the washing machine?
Why is there blood under the stuffed animals on the counter?
She had to try a lot of things to, you know, tampons. Sometimes
Oh
just
my
don't
god! Screenshot! Someone screenshot!
Fucking hell.
You can screenshot the video when it goes live.
Yeah. Okay, that's not what I expected.
Holy shit.
That's it. What does that have to do with anything?
Nothing. It's fucking funny though.
Alright. It's time for a very hard bit. It's time to get
Time to talk
the
to
tea
Arden.
fight going
Yep.
in the attic.
It's time to get the
The attic,
pieces.
the absolute hardest part of this game so far. It's
Okay.
probably even worse. This probably gets even worse after this. I don't know. I
Well-
quit playing this game after the attic and getting
We
stuck
have
there.
more determination. We can do this.
Yes.
So save
We'll
save
get-
the main town.
We'll
course,
try
yeah.
it.
Save.
We'll try it. If
Go
it
up and
doesn't,
save. Go
I'm
up and
going.
save.
We'll try it. If it doesn't fucking work, we'll call it here for the week. We'll pick up
Are you a
again next
man
time.
or a gamer?
Yeah, Calm will just grind off screen until next week.
Maybe.
There's
Isn't
one
that what we
gender,
always
it's
do?
gamer.
Oh wait,
Mhm.
is there? Can you even grind? Is there even a level
I
system?
don't think you can. There's
I
no
don't
levels
think-
in this
Oh,
game.
that's even
Yeah.
worse. You'll have to grind for healing items.
Talk to the best character. No.
I don't even think if you can grind for healing items.
That's a lot of dust bunnies.
Wait, so do you just have to kill the dust bunnies?
Yeah.
Yep, but they're extremely difficult. Get ready for this. This is just gonna-
At least
Yeah.
there's only one this time.
I mean, there's only one, but
Let's go
prepare.
titty smack.
No.
Seems
no.
straightforward enough.
24. More titty. He nom nom.
Nom nom nom.
Does he fucking evolve?
hard as I. This is not as hard as I remember.
You're just a pussy.
bad.
You just can't play
Oh,
Maid
gee.
Madness.
Do you even Maid Madness, bro?
Oh, we summoned. Oh,
No, we didn't have enough yet.
not enough yet.
We didn't
Oh,
need
and
to.
we killed
We
it.
found wine,
Jesus.
cheese, and tomato. Holy shit.
This was
Uh,
extraordinarily difficult.
That bunny was ready to
Huh.
get crunked.
Oof, I was literally hyping this up.
You should go back and
Oh.
play it again.
I should.
Okay.
What happened?
What you needed
Maybe
to
the game
find
got
2
updated?
tomatoes, 1 dragon smoked tea, and 2.
Maybe
No,
your
it's-
shit.
If it got updated, that means the girl who made it is like still into this, and I'm into that.
Titty
It has
smack
to.
time.
I swear that like this attic scene, this attic
I'm
like
sorry,
phase had, like,
you're just not a true
like-
gamer.
Maybe
No, I
there's
swear that this
there's
attic
gotta
had,
be
like,
some kind of like
dust
tricky
bunnies.
boss or some shit.
There's,
I don't
the
trust
new
this
enemy.
game.
I swear that there was like 3
Yeah.
versus 1 when I played.
According to the guide, there's an infected dust bunny. You just gotta look around for it, you know.
Oh yeah, isn't there
Oh
like?
yeah,
here
shit.
we
Here
go.
it is. Here it is.
There they
Yep.
are. It's Undertale.
Shit. So I'm probably going to want to actually have like.
Oh, we're dying.
Oh
We're gonna
fuck!
die.
92 damage. I can
And
only
this
take
is
5
where
total
I quit.
hits.
Oh my god.
Yep. This. There you
Use
go.
the-
You were all insulting me, but no.
No, this.
This is what happened. Yeah, use it on that. Let's hope that
Yuki.
kills it.
No,
That doesn't
it's
even
not
kill it.
enough. I'm already dead.
Oh my, we're all dead.
So what
You're
we're
gonna need
have
healing
to,
items as hell.
We're gonna
Yes.
have to kill the other 2 dust bunnies, save, and then come back.
No,
I
you
don't think
can't.
that's how this works.
You can't
Oh,
escape
like the
that
2
fight.
on the. No, the 2 on the scene, I
But-
think.
No,
The-
but
the-
like,
Oh
the-
yeah,
the
yeah,
attic.
yeah. So I'm gonna go do that.
yeah,
I'll kill the
dust
2 of them.
bunnies, We save.
Yeah. Actually.
I hate the building design in this. They always do. They go with like the worst style of building design for RPG Maker.
No.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah, talk to the pedophile.
Why are you
No.
critiquing fucking Maid Madness?
Because this game could
Yeah.
clearly be extraordinary.
I mean, have you seen their pushing mechanic?
When are you gonna
it's
finish
grade A.
your RPG Maker game, huh?
I am. Fight me.
Same.
Wait, so
He's
like
dodging
after we
so
kill
much.
the two dust
This
bunnies,
RNG sucks ass.
should we get some takeout and give it to the frickin' child?
Most likely.
Which one? Me.
Yeah,
Yeah, Elaine.
Yes, the cursed one.
the green-haired.
Yay!
The one that sucks your titty.
Suck titty, give life.
This time.
I like how the enemies we've had are like Dust Bunny and Wolf.
Yep.
The most powerful monster of them all.
Dog.
Yeah, that's.
The most powerful monster of them all, infected Dust Bunny.
Infected wolf.
Infected dust bunny sounds so sexual.
It doesn't.
Didn't have to take it there.
It does not.
It doesn't need to go there.
You're not thinking about it. Good. I went there.
What is it, like a zombie plague model?
What?
Okay, how much money do we got?
Look, you guys don't know enough.
$6. That might be enough
Get some
for a
takeout.
takeout full heal. I'm gonna save first.
Don't you love me some minimum wage except they only get paid by wolves?
Dude, this ain't even minimum wage.
Yeah.
You're
Well, I mean, how many hours has it been?
supposed to be magical.
Not even one. Fried rice is the
Shocking.
cheapest for $8. Fuck.
What?
Please, I'm poor. Please. I'm broke.
You only have $6.
Wait, I have
Cheap.
$6.
I
How
can
much?
let you fuck titty if you give me $1.
Can I sell an item?
Hello. Give me shit and you'll get $1.
You can't sell anything.
Can I sell you crystal meth? Damn.
Hmm.
Damn, this game difficult.
Fuck. The dust bunnies
would
didn't
like to
even
see-
they didn't even drop good items this time. We got a really good item drop that time. Out of the game.
What about apples in the woods? Do they like replenish, do you think?
I don't
let's go
think
check. I doubt
They
it.
are quest items,
They're
right?
quest items.
You must go grind.
Yep. Gotta grind.
There's the wolf.
Don't freaking step into the acid. Nope.
Aww.
Fuck.
Escape.
Yeah.
Nigga, yo, Smokey.
Tech has
Oh,
spoken
fuck.
weeb to us.
Damn
Damn
it.
it, Carl.
You're dead.
Oh my almost dead.
Why does this game suck so much?
Explode rating night, what did you expect?
But it's like...
Because it was made by fucking Rachel Kitsune.
Well, maybe it'll give us money if we kill it.
Well, I'm gonna die.
Maybe you'll
We're
die.
Alright. So, on this note, we're coming up on another like half hour or so recording, so I'm gonna go ahead and we'll call it here.
Yep.
Ugh.
I'll take a look at the game again tomorrow, the rest of this week, see if I can't get some good RNG, and we'll hopefully get another episode again next week. So, thanks y'all for coming out.
Yay.
See y'all.
Yeah.
Bye!
Yep.
Bye.
Virgins.
Okay.
Titties suck.